We'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Duolingo app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you just click on this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on preferences. Then you will find here friends quests, or sorry, you will find here listening exercise. Click in this sign. Like you see color, it's going to smell listening exercise disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. So before I forget, when you want to save it, just click here, then you click on done, then it's going to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.